Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. So today we will have I'm sorry, I forgot the 7. It's we using while. It is like loop, but somehow it's pretty like a difference. So but the first one we use just only how to input something. So the question is, write a program that asks the user what kind of rental car they would like, and then the second one, print a message about the car, and such as, let me see if I can find you a Subaru. How to solve this? So the first one is you just make the variable, and then you just add input method. I think this is method, yeah. And then what kind of car do you like? Do you want to rent, maybe? Then let me see about the car, so just let me see if I can find you Subaru. And then just print let me see if I can find you a message. This is pretty good, yep, but let's try. Then let's see. Nih. Sorry, rental car.pay. What kind of car do you want to rent? Maybe Audi. Let me see if I can find you Audi. But message, I would like to add the title, maybe to capitalize, because this is a naming. And then BMW B is not okay. And then Audi, just not using capital Audi. I think it is like very easy, because this is like input something, then you just print, easy. But next try we use while. What is the difference between while and for loop? Okay, and don't forget to add to your GitHub. Actually, we can use the terminal. This is terminal, but yeah, I think it's make easy for us to use, because I make GitHub in the parenthood, in the test code, make easy. So we just add what is using input just this method, and then done. Not done. Okay, done. So let's try another questions. Bye.